Hey there, welcome back. Looking forward to our chat about today's topic, integrating middleware API with Genesys, web services data actions and configurations for updating debit card PIN, update_debit_card_PIN interview recall notes. Overview. Integrating your middleware API with Genesys Cloud CX enables interaction with your SQL database, specifically for operations like updating a debit card PIN. Genesys Cloud CX cannot directly execute SQL commands, necessitating a middleware server to translate API requests into SQL commands. Purpose of integration: allows Genesys to trigger database actions, e.g., updating a debit card PIN, through web services data actions. Configuration steps for data action: update_debit_card_PIN. Create the data action. Navigate to admin for integrations for data actions. Create a new web services data action. Choose bearer token authentication or basic auth based on your middleware setup. Define the request. Request URL: https://mjadmin.com/your_name/students-middleware/debit_card_pin_update.php. Request body template. Contact number: $input.contact number. DOB: $input.dob. Last four debit card number: $input, last four debit card number. Debit card expiry: $input.debit card expiry. New debit card PIN: $input.new debit card PIN. Define the response translation. Set up a translation map to handle the JSON response from the middleware. Ensure the status field from the middleware's response is mapped to the status variable in Genesys Cloud CX for decision making. How it works in the call flow. Input collection: caller provides DOB, last four digits of the card, expiry date, and new PIN. Data action call: Genesys architect collects inputs and calls the update_debit_card_PIN data action. Middleware processing: middleware validates inputs and updates the PIN in the SQL database. Response handling: middleware returns a JSON response indicating success or failure. Routing: architect routes the call based on the response, providing appropriate prompts to the caller. Security considerations: for sensitive information like PINs, utilize secure call flows and secure data actions to prevent recording or agent access to sensitive data, ensuring compliance with standards like PCI DSS. Next steps: integrate the data action into a Genesys Architect IVR flow to collect user inputs, call the middleware API, confirm success or failure to the caller,